Hello everyone, welcome back to Nextgen Cad. My name is Vihanga and I am really happy to have you here again. If you have been following my Revit series, you already know I am keeping these lessons short and simple, around 10 to 15 minutes, so you can easily find what you need. Most tutorials online are hours long and it's hard to reach for one small thing. Here, every topic is in its own short video. Easy to learn, easy to revisit. Once we finish all these small steps, I will make complete house modeling video with everything we have learned from the ground to the roof. Speaking of roofs, that's our topic today. We have learned how to create roofs. We will learn how to create roofs, change slopes, edit roof types, and even make custom shapes. Let's open Revit and get started. Let's start with most common method, the roof by footprint tool. In here architecture tab, you can find roof and roof by footprint. Before the roof, I will make create new walls. Simple wall design. So in 3D view, you can see here and I will click this one and top constraint to level 2. Okay. Then I will move to level 2 and in architecture tab roof and roof by footprint. You can use pick lines or pick walls. This one is the easiest method. I will click pick lines and for the overhanging I will add 3 feet. In this tick, if you tick define slope, that edge will create a sloping roof. If you untick it, that slide will stay flat. This is how you make gable or shed roof. Once the boundary is complete, we'll click this to okay. Now you can see every peak line have slope. So once the boundary is complete, click the green check mark in here. So then Revit will automatically place the roof above your top level. You will go to the 3D level and you can see the roof as placed. Okay, now let's fine tune the roof height. Select the roof and go to the properties palette. You will see base offset from floor. This one. You can raise this one. Maybe 3 feet for the example and apply. You can okay. If you need 1 feet and apply. Yeah, okay. Now you can see the change. Okay. So in here, roof has 4 direction slope. This side, and other side too. So if we need to change, if we need to remove these two side slope, double click this one, and here we can select and control select and remove this tick in define slope and click this one. Okay, now you can see the only two side has the slope. Okay, the next one is, let's change the slope angles. Click the roof. In the properties palette you can see the slope, so we will change to 25 degree and apply. You can see the change in slope. So the next one is, if you need two slopes, so this one have on 25 slope both side. So if we need in this side 25, other side 30, double click this one and select. This one have 25. If we need 30 for this one, select and 30 and apply. In here you can see in different between the 30 and 25 angle. Okay, so after that, now you can see the gap between the walls and roofs. So we need to complete those gaps with the wall. Firstly, we will select. So in here, lot of materials we can see roof and walls. Click here and drag to select all the materials. And here we have in the modify tab filter. In the category we can see roof and walls. We need only walls, so untick this one and apply. Okay, now you can see we can select walls by all the walls in one tick. So after that, check the modify tab and in here attach top base. So select this one. We'll select roof for top base. So you can see the walls is attached to the roof. So our next one is roof by extrusion. Sometimes you need more control for roof creating. For example, curved or slanted shapes. So that's when we use roof by extrusion. So we will make another wall for the model. Go to architecture tab and wall architecture. Here we will select rectangular and create here. I will change level to level 2. Okay, and go to 3D view here. Okay, now we use roof by extrusion. Click here, and here we have to pick plane for the start extrusion. Okay, I will select this one for the here for better view. And I will choose radius, maybe something like this one. And pick line, so pick this wall And you can use this tool for split this element and split and trim and extend for here to here, and I will delete this one and click OK. So you can see the curved roof for this model, and if you need to fill this gap, click the wall and attach top base and click here. Click the wall, attach top base and click roof. So you can see this one. So in this one, we can change the roof materials when clicking roof, and in here we can change in properties palette. You can edit type. In this dialog, we can change thickness maybe 6 inches and add materials. If we need concrete, casting and apply. You can see the materials have changed. Alright, in this tutorial we learn how to create roofs using by footprint and extrusion method, adjust slopes, height and overhangs. Roofs are one of the most important parts of your Revit model. They complete your building shapes and protect your design. In the next video, we will continue floors, adding floors and placing interior detail into the life. Thanks for watching Nextgen Cad. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe and comment what you like to learn next. See you in the next video.